So Ron, we're going to do something today that I've been wanting to do for a while. We're going to cross the Dirty Devil River, and we're either going to try to make it to Haynes Flats Ranger Station, or we're going to try to make it to Hite, out there by the Dirty Devil River down at Hite on 95. But this is something that's been on my list for a year that I've been wanting to do. Now Janice and I have been down here. This is Spring Canyon, Poison Spring Canyon Road. So Janet's 16 miles of the Dirty Devil River. We made her 16 miles in March, but we're going to see if we can get a little deeper today. So we're down in Poison Spring Canyon. Look how beautiful this is. In the early morning here at Shade. Stop here for a moment. Ron, he's a jokester, so we're talking about, you know, those life-size human skeletons that you get for Halloween. Ron said, well, I said, what you looking for? And he said, well, I'm just kind of looking around here to see where we could put one of them life-size skeletons. Could you imagine coming down through here and up there on a cliff edge somewhere, you'd see something that looked like a skeleton, and then you'd zoom in on it, and there it would be. Holy moly. That might stir a little problems, Ron. Get a couple rescue units down here. That is a cool hole. Look how that hole formed. Just a cool divot right there. It's just gorgeous down through here. Quiet. All right. I'm gonna see if I can find some more rocks. My egg lady, Nicole, she's a rock hound, and we brought her some home in March, and my wife delivers her mail, and she said, hey, Potsy ain't grabbing enough rocks. So, hey Nicole, I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm trying to up my game a little bit, yeah. All right, just gonna get after this. So working our way down the canyon here, and we found these are called hieroglyphs. Petroglyphs? Hieroglyphs. These are hieroglyphs because they are carved into the rock, and the picture ones are the ones that are painted on the sacred community places. These are cool. It's not cool that some, I'm just going to say goofball, went up there and carved their name in, you know, and the specks are bullet specks. That's not cool either. But there we go. It's a beautiful place, isn't it, Ron?
Oh yeah.
Hear that? Great shot of the Jeep down there. Still in Poison Spring Canyon. I'm gonna take Ron to another cool spot. It's down the way here. Oh, there's some up there, Ron. Up there pretty high. There. I think I was watching a video in the spiral they think represents time. So, I don't know. There's one right here too. Cool stuff. All right. Utah. Love this place. Hey Ron, is that a green bottle on the ground? Is it a Yingling? Trash holes. Oh, it's a Dos Equis or something, isn't it? There you go. Boy. Definitely. Yep, there you go. It's a hot one. It's a hot one. Trash hole. Trash hole. Here we are. We just crossed the Dirty Devil. And I was a little concerned about that because I thought it might be muddy, but it looks muddy, but we only sunk an inch or two. So Janice, remember we were here in the spring, and so way down there, here's the road we came down. We fished right down here. But look, there's no water in the Dirty Devil, it's just mud. Crazy, but Poison Spring was flowing really good up the way. Pretty crazy cool. Going after another trash hole. This is an old Dr. Pepper or something?
Bud Light.
Oh, of course it's a Bud Light. Trash hole. Found this really cool balance rock out here. Look at that. None but mud holding it up. We are out here. I don't even know what part of the country of Utah we're in, and I don't know if we're in Canyonlands, if we're in the Dollhouse area, if we're in the Maze area, if we're in the Flint Trail area. All I know is we crossed the Dirty Devil River, and we're either going to end up at Haynes Flats Ranger Station, or we're going to end up at Hite on 95. So, but that is an iconic picture right there. Let me snap that. Holy moly, check this out, everybody. So we're peeling down the peeling down the trail, and we found this, and Ron said somebody turned it into an old trailer. Dude, that is freaking cool. I got to get a cool picture of you in front of that. Wow. Wow. Look at them old school welds right there. You know how much time somebody spent doing that back in the day? Wow.
They had locks on the places to lock the doors.
Wow. Really cool. That's some big bore going through there. The old chrome bumper still looks good, Ron.
Yeah, it does. I'm going to see if there's any beer in the fridge. If there's beer in the fridge, I'm in Happy Land. Got shade. We just had beer.
No, it's right here. There's the handle. All right. Holy shit, there's beer in there! Ron!
Geez.
You've hit the jack! I gotta leave across here. I'm out of here. Well, we're on. We've been chugging along here pretty good. Here we go. I wasn't quite sure where we're at, so we're at Sunset Pass, Flint Trail South, Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. So, stay on designated trails, no problem. That's what we do. All right, we're gonna keep chugging. We burned through a quarter tank of gas. Let's do this. All right, everybody, we've got up over the hill here, and look at these crazy clouds in front of us. Well, there is, I think 3 days ago, Deer Creek, the end of the LaSalle Mountains, there was a fire start. And those are the LaSalles over there that you're looking at. And that's the fire on that end. So a lot of that is smoke. So these mountains over here to our right, they are the Abajo Mountains. So we are slowly getting somewhere. We went a lot of miles off-road, haven't we, Ron?
Yes.
So we're going to keep on keeping on, but there you go. Fire in the LaSalles from a pretty good distance away. Well, we made it out to Hite, and we're going to cross the Dirty Devil Bridge when we take a right out of here. And if we took a left, we go down and we cross the Colorado Bridge, and we're going to do both of that because Ron ain't never seen either one of them bridges, have you?
Nope.
All right. Oh, boy. And that's it, folks. Look at that. That's a cool little rock feature. Glen Canyon, Utah. It just rocks.
You know, life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you might just miss it.